Smart ThinQ. Have you ever accidentally left the refrigerator door open? Let us introduce you to the LG InstaView Door-in-Door refrigerator, which can send you notifications anytime, anywhere. The LG InstaView Door-in-Door refrigerator allows you to control the temperature of your refrigerator. And make ice even faster with your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Also, you can manage the cleanliness of your refrigerator in real time. Experience the LG Smart ThinQ lifestyle for yourself. LG InstaView Door-in-Door refrigerator.